This is wild, but passive income is a BS. Getting rich quick is also a BS, but scaling online businesses and making consistent money is completely real. In fact, my business partner Mark and I've generated over $1 million in the past year alone, not selling our own products, but selling other people's products. If you're someone who wants to make money online and you're looking for the best way to do that, in this video I'm going to show you a path, a system that we and our students and paid clients are using to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars on a daily basis. Here's a sneak peek in our program. Now, I'm not trying to sell you anything. This video is completely free, but I just want to show you what is possible, and I'm actually going to give you the entire system. So check this out. Richard here says he hit $8,000 in pure profit in under 2 weeks. Okay, this is 5 days ago, guys, using the exact system that I'm about to show you in this video. And so the very first place you need to visit in order to start generating some online income is this facebook.com/ads/library. This is the meta place for other people's ads. Here is the place where you're going to see how and what other people are advertising. Let's type getting in better shape. And I'm going to show you why this is important. Start hang out here and study what businesses are using in their ads and how businesses are selling products. Why this is important. This is called media buying. And if you learn the basics of media buying, which is very, very simple, as you saw, Facebook Ads Library is the place you should hang out. But media buying is the skill that will allow you to find prospects that have a certain specific desire, need, or problem, and then solve this problem by bringing them to the solution via Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or any type of media buying. Once you learn this skill, you'll never have to worry about income ever again, because even if you create your own product, you'll be able to bring people instantly to your product. But in our case, what we do, we find other people's products, and then we find people who would be willing to buy these products on Facebook, and we bring them to their websites. And we are the middleman. We're the middle guy who connects people with products, and we actually get paid a commission for that. There is a place called clickbank.com. Probably you're already aware of this place, but this is an affiliate marketing platform where people can post their or list their products and services, and you can grab your affiliate link by clicking this get affiliate link. You just click that button and you generate an affiliate link, and every time someone clicks your affiliate link, you're getting like commission of, let's say, $50 for this specific product. This specific product down below pays $130, $27, and we have 131, etc., etc. So to find people insecurities, this is what sells the most online. People's insecurities or pains. People might have some specific pains, either physical, mental pains, etc., or insecurities. For example, in this video, I have found herpes to have a lot of like impact on especially female faces. And they're looking to solve that problem. And how I came up to this term herpes, people, as you can see, there are lots of ads right now about herpes and solving that problem. I actually use ChatGPT. You can use AI to tell you what problems people might have. And here you can ask the AI, can you please give me some insecurities people might have in terms of their facial looks? And so ChatGPT is now going to give you a lot of examples. So look at this: skin and texture, acne, pimples, frequent breakouts, acne scars, and pitted skin, large visible pores. Once you have found the keywords, then you start typing the keywords inside the Meta's marketplace. So herpes that I found, and I started studying all of these ads of people who are selling products about solving herpeses. Read the ads, look how they're made, what they say, the designs, the creatives, the videos. There's some ads that are in different languages, we can see, but you can filter everything out by language. You can say language English only. So let's say English right here, like this. And I'm gonna hit apply. We should see only English ads. There we go. Once I figured the market, then from here what I need to do is, now I know that people are looking for solution for herpeses. I know there is the market there. I know there is demand. So now I have to find supply. I have to supply the demand with the product so people buy the product and I can make money. In that case, like I showed you in the beginning, we can use ClickBank. So now we have to find a product related to herpes. There is another affiliate online network with a lot of products, which is called Digistore24. These are the two of the biggest, Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com. And so once you find the need, the niche, herpes in this case, how do you sell it? Well, like I said in the beginning, you study the ads. And here what I found, look at this, I found Linda's Corner. This is a Facebook page. They have 3 running active ads. And guess what? If I click either of these ads, and we can see like I'm going to click this button, we're going to land on this simple one-page website. These are the websites that my team and I and my students are creating on a daily basis. We call these lenders or bridge pages. And the purpose of these pages is to migrate people's mentality from a Facebook scroller to an eager buyer, or to spark their curiosity. So this is how it looks like. You see, let's say you're scrolling your Facebook wall and you're just chatting with your friends, or I don't know, you're looking at Reels or Facebook stories, whatever, and then you see this. Say goodbye to herpes outbreaks for good. Watch our video now and embrace a stress-free life, no more hygiene concerns. And you see this weird looking image, bizarre looking. This is kind of a germs, I believe, some bacteria. And then there is like a pen with oranges. And this is all generated through AI, by the way. We generate these type of images and videos on a daily basis with AI. AI generates these crazy images because crazy images sparks curiosity, and this is what makes people click, and that's the purpose of everything. You want to make people stop scrolling their Facebook walls, click your ad, and go to the next page or the next step, which is this simple page that has a huge claim in the title that says, use this 15-second trick to eliminate the herpes virus. If you're someone who has herpes and you see this title, 15-second trick, and you're gonna be eliminating your herpes, how curious you would be from 1 to 10 to click that video? I would say 8 or 9 even, okay? And especially when you have this weird looking bizarre image. So people come to here, to this page, there is some explanatory stuff, which is a description, and that's it. This is the page, look at this. Simple page, all created by AI. Once people click this button, they're redirected to the actual affiliate offer page. And this is because I've watched this, I can start from the beginning. All right, so this is how it starts. This is a video, VSL, which is short for video sales letter, and they sell these bottles. Now you don't have to ship these bottles, you don't have to do any packaging, warehousing, etc. Everything is done by the manufacturer. But you just drive traffic to this page through your page. So this is the VSL page of the vendor, but your page is this one. And every time someone watches the video sales letter, this is the video sales letter, okay? Purchase these bottles, you're getting paid huge commissions. And here's the kicker. I don't know if you realize, but I'm just showing you right now a live example of people who are literally making money right now. As I'm talking, people are making money. Why? Because remember the ads that I showed you? These 3 ads from Linda's Corner, these ads are live. They say active, active, and active. And check this out. They started running on July 17th. Today, the video I'm shooting is August 19th. So it's been over a month that these ads have been live. For over a month, these people have been making money. So I just showed you a working system right in front of you, a working campaign. Facebook ad, a landing page or bridge page, and then the page with the VSL for the actual seller or vendor. So your job here is to study how you can create Facebook ads, profitable Facebook ads, and just set up Facebook ads, find an offer, create a small or simple bridge page lender, the one that I showed you, just mimic the one that I showed you. You can use software such as system304.com. This is the one I use for simple lenders. And then go to adsmanager.facebook.com. And you're going to be able to set up your first ads here. Now, this is a brand new account, so you can simply hit this button, create an ad, go to sales, and click continue. But the surprising part here is that Facebook has AI now. So you don't have to do any complicated targeting options, or you don't have to do any complicated settings. The AI does that for you. This is the surprising part now with Facebook. You see what it says? No longer need to choose a campaign setup. New code Advantage Plus sales campaign, formerly called Advantage Plus shopping campaign. This setup is on by default, maximizing performance with AI. This is huge, guys, because back in the day, we had to spend hours fine-tuning the Facebook ads. Now, with just a bunch of clicks, you just set the AI on Facebook to do all the work for you, and then the AI finds keywords on your specific ad that you've created on your landing page as well, and then finds people on Facebook that are looking for these specific solutions, for example, herpeses, and brings them to your website. So it's important on your landing page to have the keyword in the title, because this is what Facebook is going to be looking for, specific keywords. And the AI understands exactly what this product is all about. 15-second trick to eliminate herpes viruses. And the description right here below also probably has viruses or herpeses. So let's try to find herpes. There we go, herpes. So we have 8 places where the word herpes has been used. So let's see. This is the first one. Okay, herpes. The herpes virus for good, herpes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, as you can see, you need to put a lot of keywords inside your landing page, which is going to help Facebook. Where is my ads manager? I forgot. There we go. To determine what are the best people for your product, for your landing page. And that's simply it. So I'm going to click OK here, and you can create this campaign with just a bunch of clicks, and you can be ready to go in a matter of seconds. Now, obviously, you need to do some split tests. You need to test different ads, different angles. And even if it looks very easy, and yes, it is easy, but by the end of the day, you have to test. You don't have to spend a lot of time testing. As you saw, AI does everything for us, but you have to test different ads, different angles. But the best part is once something hits, it's exponential. You can duplicate it and you can bump the budgets and you can make a ton of money with just one winner. You have one winner, that's it. And so from here, if you want to see how you can create your own digital product so you don't have to rely on other people's products, in the video in the top left corner, I'm walking you through step by step on how to create your own ebook, start selling it online, start earning online with your own product, and turn it into a real business that lasts for months and even years and decades to come.